The Kenworth T800 hood is susceptible to damage where the cable supports mount. Polyvance has created a kit designed to repair the damaged support pockets at a fraction of the cost of buying and installing a new hood. This video will show you how to install Polyvance's Kenworth T800 cable support mounting pocket repair kit. While using the appropriate personal protective equipment outlined in the instructions, start by thoroughly cleaning the hood pocket and surrounding area with Polyvance's EcoPrep plastic cleaner. If the center of the pocket isn't completely torn out, cut away the section where the eye bolt attaches using a small reciprocating saw or grinder. Leaving a small lip around the edge will allow the casting to clear the hood, but still allow the casting to fully seat in the pocket. The idea is to leave as much material as possible to maintain the largest bond area between the hood and the casting. Test fit the casting to be sure it fits flush against the hood. If the casting does not fit flush, cut or grind away more hood or casting material. Once the casting fits, hold the casting firmly in place and trace around the perimeter with a permanent marker. Use a 50 grit roll-lock disc to grind the area where the casting will be bonded. Be sure to remove all the paint and oxidized plastic within the traced area. Using 60 or coarser grit sandpaper, hand sand the inside of the pocket to remove the paint and oxidized plastic that the roll-lock disc could not reach. Use compressed air to remove dust from the area where the aluminum casting will mount. Thoroughly clean the casting with EcoPrep plastic cleaner. Using a 50 grit roll-lock disc, grind the mating surface of the casting to make the aluminum receptive to the 2510 Plastifix adhesive. Hand sand any areas the roll-lock disc could not reach. Remove the sanding dust with compressed air. Hold the casting firmly in place on the hood, then mark and drill the hole locations with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Remove any remaining dust with compressed air. Next, apply approximately 1/3 of the cartridge of 2510 Plastifix over the sanded area of the hood. Apply another third of the cartridge of Plastifix to the mating surface of the casting. Install the casting onto the hood. Secure it into place with the screws, but do not tighten the screws completely. After all 4 screws are in place, finish tightening them using a Phillips head screwdriver. Do not over-tighten the screws. If there are any gaps between the casting and the hood, fill them with more Plastifix adhesive. Wipe any excess Plastifix off the hood before it hardens. Plastifix achieves its maximum strength after curing for 24 hours at 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Anytime after this, any remaining hardware can be attached to the hood. To prevent corrosion, use blue thread locker on the eye bolt before installing it into the casting. Install a nut on the eye bolt inside the pocket to lock the eye bolt into place. Once the remaining hardware is attached, the hood can be put back into service.